In previous class, we are observed about the what is the meaning of the creativity and business ideas and opportunities. And now we are going to move about the entrepreneur imagination and creativity. How entrepreneurs do what they do. Creative thinking plus systematic analysis, it leads to success in their life. Seek out unique opportunities to fill their needs and wants. Turn problems into opportunities. Recognize that problems are to solutions what demand is to supply. So, what are the sources of innovation ideas? Unexpected occurrence, that means all of a sudden we got something, and incongruous, that means overnight package delivery, that means night we got some of the dreams and ideas, and early morning it's gone. So, process needs like sugar free products for the diabetic patients, and caffeine free coffee, and micro ovens for North Indians, mostly they are using the sandwich and bread and toast. Industry and market changes. Healthcare industry is going to every time going to change. Demographic changes and perpetual changes, knowledge based concepts. The role of creative thinking. How every human being have their creative knowledge and creativity, but what is the basic way to got the thinking in a creative way? So creativity, the generation of ideas that result in the improved efficiency or effectiveness of a system. So there is the two aspects exist along with the creativity. First one, process. That means the process is goal oriented always, and it is designed to attain a solution towards a problem. Second one and the most important one is people. So two important aspects are there. That means people are the resources that determine the solution. One is process, second one people. So there is a two approaches are there to creative problem solving. One is the adapter, second one is the innovator. So what is the meaning of the adapter? The exist one they are going to, or the available one they are going to adapt, like copy and paste. And innovator means think different ways. So employs a disciplined, precise, methodological approach. It approaches task from unusual angles. Is concerned with solving rather than finding and problems. So here they are trying to discover the problems and trying to solve the problems also. It attempts to refine current practices. So questions are basic assumptions related to current practices. It tends to means orientated. Here innovator has little regard for means, is more interested in ends. Is capable of extended detailed work. Here has little tolerance for routine work. Is sensitive to group coins and cooperation. Has little or no need for consensus. Often is insensitive to others. So there is the two approaches are there. One is the adapter approach, second one is the innovator approach in creative problem solving. The nature of the creative process. So what are the steps are there to follow the creative process? Creativity is a process that can be developed and improved. Some individuals have a greater aptitude for creativity than others. So that means someone has more creativity and someone has the less creativity in particular domain. So typical creative process. There are the four phases are there. Phase 1, background or knowledge accumulation. Phase 2, the incubation process. Phase 3, the idea experience. Phase 4, evaluation. and implementation. The most common idea killers. That means one person came to me and he shared his idea. So I immediately said, "This is waste. This is bullshit. You do your work." So this is the example regarding to the idea killers. First, can't. Said with a shake of head and air of finality. That is the dumbest thing I have ever heard. That means this is the worst thing I have heard. Yeah, but if you did that, that means if anything occurs, you only do it. We already tried that so many years back. It can't work. Go and do it. I don't see anything wrong with the way you're doing it now. That means you do it. If anybody come and share their ideas, okay, go ahead. That means all the burden on put their heads on it. We have never done anything like before. So anyone came to new proposal, that means till now we are not done. If you want, you can go. And it's not in the budget constraints also we have to take care. Where do you get these weird ideas? How you got this type of ideas? So these are some of the common idea killers. Critical thinking process. So first we are going to get the ideas, incubation process, evaluation and implementation, and knowledge accumulation. Previous slide we have observed the 4 phases, those things. So this is a critical thinking process. First we are going to ideas, incubation, evaluation and implementation, and last one is the knowledge accumulation. How we are going to develop our creativity or creativity among others? First, we are going to recognize the relationships. So, looking for different or unorthodox relationships among the elements and people around you. Developing a functional perspective, that means viewing things and people in terms of how they can satisfy his or her needs and help complete a project. And last one, using your brains. Always don't copy and paste. Sometimes use your own brain also. That means the right brain helps us understand analogies, imagine things, and synthesize information. That means everybody have only single brain. That means it is the meaning of the right part of the brain and left part of the brain. If we divide the brain into based on the directions, so the right brain helps us to understand the analogies, imagine the things, and synthesize the information. The left brain helps us analyze, verbalize, and use rational approaches to the problem solving. I think most of the people know that the left part of the body is controlled by the right side of the brain, and the right part of the body is controlled by the left side of the brain. I don't know exactly, but when I attended one FDP, one of the resource persons shared the things to me. A creative exercise. So this is a small assignment to all you. So first you have to think of it and write down all the functions you can imagine for the following items. So take the 5 to 6 minutes for each item and make it assignment in a A4 size paper and take photos and share to my WhatsApp. Or wait sometime, I will inform you to our WhatsApp group how you are going to submit these assignments. Impediments to creativity. That means eliminating muddling mindsets. So either or thinking. That means it's going to concern for certainty. Security hunting. That means it's going to concern for risk. Stereotyping. Abstracting the reality. Probability thinking. Seeking predictable results. So, areas in which people are creative. Idea create, that means it's going to give a types of creativity: idea creativity, material creativity, organization creativity, relationship creativity, event creativity, inner creativity, and last one, spontaneous creativity. So these are the different type of creativities which are going to available in the paper: idea, material, organization, relationship, event, inner, as well as spontaneous creativity. So what is the climate regarding to creativity in the most of the organizations? So through the different type of characteristics we are going to understand about the creative climate. So this based on the characteristics of creative climate. The first one, trustful management that does not over control the person. Open channels of communication among all business members. Considerable contact and communication with outsiders, a large variety of personality types, a willingness to accept change, an environment and experimenting with new ideas, little fear of negative consequences for making a mistake. That means in the process of doing creativity or innovation methods, if the employee done any mistake or if he is going to fail, so the management cannot be punished. If the management going to punish that, everybody fear about their job security and nobody come forward to think in the creative manner. The selection and promotion of employees on the basis of merit only. The use of techniques that encourage ideas, including suggestion system and brainstorming. So last one and very important that when the organization trying to provide sufficient financial, managerial, human and time resources for accomplishing the goals. So based on these characteristics, we can easily understand about the climate regarding to creativity were available in the organizations or not, or the managers is going to provide the climate regarding to the creativity in the organizations. Innovation and the entrepreneur. So what is the relation between the innovation and entrepreneur? Already we know the meaning of the innovation is a process by which entrepreneurs convert opportunities into marketable ideas. Is a combination of the vision to create a good idea and the perseverance and dedication to remain with the concept through implementation. Is a key functional in the entrepreneur process. Is a specific function of entrepreneurship. So there is a innovation process. So here we can observe about the what are the different types of innovations are there and what are the different sources of innovation are there. So first we are going to observe about what are the different types of innovation. Invention, that means you are going to create or identify or you are going to develop the new things. Extension, that means already exists someone, you are going to add some features or benefits or beyond the earlier one. Suppose take the example, in the olden days what we have the handset, mobile handsets are there, 1G mobile handset. Then the handset is going to add 2G, 3G, 4G. And what happened in the olden days, mobiles just have the radio, some of the features, radio, small megapixel mobile phone, all those things. Now what happened with the existing one, with the mobile phone we are going to use the alarms. So alarm watch is gone from the market. Time, most of the people are not going to use the watches, as well as radios gone, tape recorders gone. Why? Because we are using the mobile as a that one media player, and movies also we can watch. So these are the extension existing one. Okay. Duplication. And nowadays everybody knows about what is the how the products as well as the process going to get the duplication. And we know that China is the number one. Which product is introduced by the world, within 1 or 2 days China going to develop the duplicate of those products. and last one is the synthesis. You are going to mingle with the things. Last one is the sources of innovation. Unexpected occurrences, that means you are going all of a sudden incongruous process needs, industry and market changes, demographic changes, perpetual changes, knowledge based concepts. Already we know that all those things. So innovation in action. Previously also we observed that one. So once we observe what is the type of innovation, what is the description, what are the examples of the innovation. First one, invention. That means totally we are going to develop the new product or service or process. Wright brothers, they invented the airplanes. Thomas Edison, they are going to invent the light bulb, and Alexander Graham Bell, telephone. Second one is the extension, new use or different application of an already existing product, service or process. Ray Kroc, McDonald's, Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook, Barry Sternlight, Starwood Hotels and Resorts. Duplication, creative replication of an existing concept. Walmart, it is a replication of the departmental stores. Gateway, it is the personal computers. Pizza Hut, so most of the people knows about the Domino's and Pizza Hut. It is a duplication of the pizza parlor. Synthesis, combination of existing concepts and factors into a new formulation or use. Fred Smith, FedEx, courier service. It means combination of existing concept and factors into a new formation or use. Howard Skill, Starbucks. It is the international coffee stores. Like in India, we have the coffee day stores. Like that, internationally, Starbucks have the coffee day store chains. Major innovation myths. Already we know what is the meaning of the myths in the unit number 1 about it, the time of the myths about entrepreneurship. Now we are going to understand about what is the major innovation myths. Myths means it is a beliefs which scientifically is not correct or proved. First one myth is innovation is planned and predictable. Wrong. Technical specification should be thoroughly prepared. May not be. Creativity relies on dreams and blue sky ideas. No. Big projects will develop better innovations than smaller one. Not proved till now. Technology is the driving force of innovation success. If you think like that, technology itself is an innovation. So this is also wrong. Now we are going to observe about the principles of innovation. So these are the last slide I think, and this is the concept related to the innovation. First one, be action oriented. That means always ready to make the product, process or service simple as well as understandable. Make the product, process or service customer based. That means ultimately those things purchased by the or buying by the customers only. Start with small things. Aim with a high. Try or test or revise if you got any mistake in the process. Learn from failures. If you got failure, don't be afraid, and we are going to identify, verify where I failed and rectify that, and you are going to achieve the success in personal life as well as the career life also. Follow a milestone schedule. That means you are going to make the schedules. So this much of day I am going to meet this one, and this much of days I am going to reach this one. Reward heroic activity. And last one, and very important one, it may be useful in personal life or career life also. Work. Okay, thank you.